Good evening, viewers. Children, today I want to tell you that there is a very famous saying what we are been listening since our childhood that कर्म कर पर फल की इच्छा ना कर. आपने भी सुना होगा. It is well said in Gita also that do the deeds, काम करो और फल की इच्छा ना करो. थोड़ा सा करेक्शन करूंगी that फल की चिंता ना करो. See, if you have done good deeds and if you know that what particular thing you have done, you know the results. हम कब चिंता करते हैं फल की, हम कब चिंता करते हैं रिजल्ट्स की? when we know that we have done something wrong. If we miss a particular step, we know something is going to be wrong. For example, if a person has sown the chilies, he has done his work, उसने अपना कर्म कर दिया, he knows that he will be getting chilies out of it. अगर उसने बीजे ही मिर्च का पौधा है, मिर्ची का पौधा है, तो उसको पता है कि उसे मिर्ची ही मिलेगी. If we have written 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, we don't have to worry about the results because we know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 always. कभी भी इसमें डिस्क्रिपेंसी नहीं है. देयर इज नो डाउट. प्रॉब्लम कब होती है, चिंता कब होती है? when we write 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, then we keep thinking यार मैं ऐसा लिख के आ गया हूँ, कहीं किसी को पकड़ में ना आ जाए, कहीं गलती ना समझ में आ जाए, कहीं इसके मार्क्स ना डिडक्ट हो जाए, अब तो मैंने ये लिख दिया. So always think and catch the correct meaning of the sayings or whatever the things are being said earlier for our benefit. If we know that we are doing good, if we know that we are doing all correct, we don't have to worry about the results. Same for the examination also, same for spiritualism, same for worldly tasks. Even for spiritualism, if we know that we are doing good deeds, we are not hurting anyone, we are not doing any sins at the back of someone, we know that everything is going to be okay. So, children, work hard, study well, and prepare for your exams. Notebooks, I don't know how far you people are making notebooks in the higher classes, but your books, especially the NCERT books, if you are from CBSE, just go through it thoroughly, line to line, and try to get every point and every topic. If you will do well, you know that all will be well. Okay, so bless you all. Take care and keep watching and